How are you? Fine? Do you remember the last class? കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ മാംഗോ പിക്കിൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയല്ലോ. നിങ്ങൾ മാംഗോ പിക്കിൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കി നോക്കിയോ? How was your mango pickle? Is it tasty? Let us come back to our story. Come on. Tell me. What were Appu and Durga doing? They were tasting the pickle. Now I am going to tell the rest of the story. Okay? Very good. Our Appu and Durga are here. Who is he? He is Appu. Who is she? She is Durga. Yes, she is Durga. They are making mango pickle. Do you want to see their performance? Let us see the puppet show.
Abu, Abu, Abu. What's it? Slices of tender green mango. Is Ma back from the gate yet? No. Can you fetch me a bit of oil and some salt? I will pickle this. Where did you get them from, Didi? We're lying on the ground just under the Sindur Kunda tree. Now get me a pinch of salt and some oil. Will you? I will give it to me if I bring down the oil pot from the shelf. Run and get it fast. It will be a while before she is back. She had gone to wash the clothes. Hurry up. Shell? Give me the shell. I will pour it into the shell. You stand by the back door and keep a lookout. Mind you, don't spill any oil on the floor. Better be careful. Otherwise, Ma will know more for sure. You are such a good for nothing. Give me. Here, put out your hand. Didi, are you going to eat all the rest yourself? Do you think you can get in a nice chili? I will give you an extra slice if you do so. But how shall I get to the chilies? They are right up on the shelf. I can't even reach it. Don't bother. I will get some more mangoes later in the day. You know that tree by the pond? There is lot and lots of budding mangoes that will fall off in the afternoon sun.
Durga, Durga.
That's Ma calling. Quick, go and see what's up. Finish it up over there. No, wait. You have got grain of salt all over your mouth. Wipe them away first.
Do you like the puppet show? Yes. Shall we read the rest of the story? Durga heard her mother call out yet again, but there was no way she could reply, for her mouth was quite full. She began furiously devouring the slices of pickled mango. When she found that she still had many left, she hid behind the trunk of the jackfruit tree and started to gobble up the rest. Apu stood beside her frantically, swallowing his share, for there was no time to chew. As he ate, he smiled a guilty smile at his sister. Let us come back to our puppet show. Watch it.
Dugga, Dugga,
What is it, Ma?
where had you gone? And where is that monkey gone?
I'm hungry, Ma.
Oh, Dugga, go and check on the calf.
Ma, do take some more of that white stuff out of the cucumber. Isn't there any more of the rye fry, Ma? Oh, it's impossible. All those tart mangoes have set my teeth on edge.
Where did you get mangoes from? You had gone out again?
I was just there by the jackfruit tree, and then just as you called.
Oh, Shorno is coming. Dugga, go and catch the calf.
You rich monkey! All those tart mangoes have set my teeth on edge. Dumbo! No brains at all?
Puppet show എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടമായല്ലോ. Now I am going to show you some pictures related to our story. Please write down the suitable sentences for these pictures. See this picture. Apu is playing in the veranda. Look, Apu is playing in the veranda. Once more, Apu is playing in the veranda.
These are the pictures. ഈ ചിത്രങ്ങൾക്കനുസരിച്ച് നിങ്ങൾ വാചകങ്ങൾ എഴുതുമല്ലോ. Please write down the sentences according to these pictures.
നിങ്ങൾ എഴുതിയ സെന്റൻസ് ടീച്ചർക്ക് കാണിച്ചു കൊടുക്കുമല്ലോ. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ദുർഗയുടെ സ്റ്റോറി ഇഷ്ടമായോ? Now let us see some expressions of Apu and Durga. These are some expressions. Can you identify these expressions? Is he sad? No. He is happy. His expression is happiness. Can you identify these expressions? He is sad. His expression is sadness. Yes, sadness. Tell me, what is his expressions? Yes, his expression is anger. What is his expression? Yes, his expression is fear.
Now, look at these dialogues. Okay, listen, my children. Please read these dialogues and fix appropriate pictures of expressions for these dialogues. I can't go to school. I can't go to school. I have got selection in Indian football team. I have got selection in Indian football team. There is a snake, run fast. There is a snake, run fast. Don't go anywhere, otherwise I will beat you. Don't go anywhere, otherwise I will beat you. Now you have to fix the emojis with these dialogues.
After completing these activities, send it to your teacher. Okay? Okay, dears. It is time to wind up today. Take care. Okay?